Welcome to this video tutorial for the Loan Repayment Program, LRP. This tutorial focuses on the steps an institutional business official, IBO, takes to confirm employment and verify salary of an LRP applicant. If your new LRP applicant is selected for further consideration, NIH will contact you, the IBO, in the spring or summer to verify the applicant's salary and confirm that the applicant is still at your institution. It should be noted that this process is only for new applicants and is not required for renewal applications. To start the process, log into ERA Commons and go to the Apps icon in the upper left corner. Click on the icon, scroll down to the IBO Portal option, and select it. This opens the LRP IBO Portal screen. The screen displays a table of submitted LRP applications assigned to you. For the final certification, which is the confirmation of employment and salary verification, the status for each applicant is shown in the Final Certification Summer column. The status, No Action Yet, means the applicant has not yet been selected for further consideration. This status changes to Incomplete when they are selected for consideration. For the No Action Yet and Not Required statuses, the only available action under the three-dot ellipses icon is to view the certification document as a PDF. So, for new applicants with a final certification of incomplete, when you click on the three-dot ellipses icon to see the available actions, it includes Verify Salary. Select the Verify Salary option to move to the next step. Clicking Verify Salary opens the salary confirmation pop-up window. Enter the applicant's salary as of July 1st in whole dollar amounts and click Save and Submit. The Final Certification Summer column on the main LRP IBO portal screen now displays Complete. This completes the confirmation of employment and salary verification for the applicant. An email is sent to the IBO and the applicant letting them know the process has been completed. If during the verification process you learn the applicant is no longer employed at your institute, you check the box marked Please select this checkbox if the applicant is no longer at institute. Click Save and Submit. Then click Yes on the confirmation pop-up confirming the person has left your institute. An email with this updated status concerning the LRP applicant is sent to NIH's Division of Loan Repayment, DLR, making them aware that the applicant has left the institute. The applicant also receives an email. There are a number of resources available to you to assist you with the LRP program. If you need technical help, contact the ERA Service Desk. This concludes this video tutorial for the Loan Repayment Program, focusing on the steps an institutional business official takes to confirm employment and verify salary of an LRP applicant. Thank you for watching.